After you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, you want to click on this federal button at the left side of your screen. Then click on Wages and Income just below it. While you hover over your mouse on Wages and Income, you want to choose on Wages and Income Summary, which will take you to this page, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see Self-Employment section. As you can see, to file the Schedule C, you need to insert the information in this Self-Employment section. So then click on it and hit on Start or Revisit button. On this page, you may just scroll down, then hit the Yes button. Right here, you may insert your type of work regarding Schedule C. Then click on Continue. Later on, TurboTax will ask you some question regarding Schedule C, and you may answer it according to the work or thing that you do. The only important thing is to answer the question suitably, so TurboTax can help you to filing the taxes. After that, after you insert all the needed information, you may see the Schedule C form on your Form 1040. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.